Welcome to House Lux Estate, the channel where you get top-notch information about health, fitness, and lifestyle. Today we're diving into a topic that's as simple as putting one foot in front of the other, yet holds a powerhouse of benefits: walking. Yes, that's right, walking, the most basic human locomotion, is actually one of the best exercises out there. Now you might be thinking, how can something so simple be so impactful? Well, across this video we're going to discuss just that. We'll delve into the physical benefits of walking, from aiding weight loss to strengthening your heart. Then we'll touch on the mental benefits, how a simple stroll can boost your mood and sharpen your mind. And finally, we'll give you some tips on how to easily incorporate walking into your daily routine. So, lace up your shoes and get ready to take a step towards a healthier, happier you. Stay tuned to find out just how much walking can transform your life. Walking is one of the simplest forms of exercise, yet it's often overlooked. It's a gentle, low-impact form of exercise that's easy, free, and suitable for people of all ages and most abilities. Now, isn't that quite the package? Let's talk about accessibility. Unlike other forms of exercise that require special equipment or an expensive gym membership, walking is democratically available to all. All you really need is a good pair of shoes and the great outdoors. Or, if you prefer, the bustling city streets, the quiet of a suburban neighborhood, or even the anonymity of a shopping mall. The world is your treadmill. And how about convenience? It's so easy to incorporate walking into your daily routine. Think about it. You could walk your kids to school in the morning. You could take a brisk stroll during your lunch break. You could choose to take the stairs instead of the elevator, or park a little farther away from your destination to get in a few extra steps. It's all about making small changes that can lead to big results. What's more, walking doesn't have to be a solitary activity. It can be a social event. Grab a friend or family member or even your four-legged buddy and make it an enjoyable shared experience. It's a great way to connect with others while also taking care of your health. Walking is also versatile. It can be as light or as intense as you want it to be. You can go for a leisurely stroll to unwind after a long day, or you could pick up the pace for a more vigorous workout. You are in control. And let's not forget, walking is a natural movement. It's not a complex routine that requires coordination or training. It's something we learn as toddlers and continue to do throughout our lives. It's as natural as breathing. So the next time you think about exercise, remember that walking is a simple yet effective option. It's more than just getting from point A to point B. It's a step towards a healthier you. And the best part, you can start right now. Walking does a lot more for your body than you might think. Let's start with weight loss. Walking is an excellent way to burn calories. The exact number of calories you burn will depend on your weight and pace, but on average, a brisk walk can burn up to 300 calories per hour. This can significantly contribute to your weight loss goals over time. Next, let's talk about heart health. Walking regularly can help lower your risk of heart-related conditions. It does this by improving your overall cardiovascular fitness. It helps lower bad cholesterol levels, while increasing good cholesterol levels. It also helps to regulate blood pressure. In fact, a study by the American Heart Association showed that walking is just as beneficial for heart health as running. Now let's move on to bone and muscle health. Walking is a weight-bearing exercise, which means it helps strengthen your bones and muscles. This can lead to improved balance and coordination, reducing the risk of falls and fractures. Walking can also help ease joint pain and stiffness, particularly for people with arthritis. Moreover, walking can reduce the risk of certain health conditions. Regular walking can help prevent and manage conditions like type 2 diabetes and high blood pressure. It can also reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Walking has even been associated with a longer lifespan. But that's not all. Walking can also boost your immune function. A study found that people who walked at a moderate pace for 30 to 45 minutes a day had 43% fewer sick days and fewer upper respiratory tract infections overall. Finally, walking can help improve your sleep. It helps to regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, particularly if you walk outside in natural light. Regular walkers often report improved sleep patterns and better quality sleep. Indeed, walking is a full-body workout that offers numerous physical benefits. But the benefits of walking aren't just physical. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, our minds often bear the brunt of stress, anxiety, and a constant influx of information. Walking can be a powerful ally in maintaining mental health and boosting brain power. One of the key mental benefits of walking is mood enhancement. Our bodies release chemicals known as endorphins when we exercise. These are our natural mood lifters, often described as nature's own antidepressant. They can help to alleviate feelings of sadness, depression, or anxiety. So when you're feeling down, a brisk walk might be just what you need to lift your spirits. Walking also serves as a potent stress reliever. The rhythmic nature of walking can have a calming effect on the brain, and the simple act of focusing on your steps can serve as an effective form of mindfulness, helping to clear the mind and reduce stress levels. Now, let's talk about creativity. Have you ever noticed how ideas seem to flow when you're on a walk? There's science behind that. Walking, particularly in a natural setting, can stimulate the brain's creative juices and enhance problem-solving abilities. It's no wonder many great thinkers, from Steve Jobs to Albert Einstein, were known for their walking habits. The benefits extend to our sleep patterns as well. Regular walkers often report improved sleep quality. Walking encourages the release of the hormone melatonin, which regulates our sleep-wake cycle, helping us to fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restful sleep. Finally, walking can contribute to better cognitive function. Regular physical activity, like walking, can improve memory, attention, and cognitive flexibility. It can even slow the cognitive decline associated with aging. Studies have shown that walking can increase the size of the hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for memory and learning. Clearly, walking is not just good for the body, but for the mind as well. So the next time you're feeling mentally drained, remember, a walk could be the perfect remedy. Now that you know the benefits of walking, you might be wondering, how can I incorporate it into my daily routine? Well, you'll be glad to know that it's simpler than you might think. Let's start with something as basic as taking the stairs instead of the elevator. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference over time. By choosing the stairs, you're not only incorporating more steps into your day, but also engaging different muscles, improving your balance, and boosting your heart rate. Next, consider parking your car a little farther away from your destination. This might seem inconvenient at first, but it's another easy way to add more steps to your day. Plus, it can provide a few moments of solitude before you start your day or as you wind down in the evening. Another practical tip is to take walking breaks during your workday. Instead of sitting at your desk during your break, why not take a quick stroll around the block or even just around the office? This not only helps you accumulate more steps, but it can also help clear your mind and boost your mood, making you more productive when you return to your work. If you're someone who enjoys social activities, consider starting a walking group with friends or colleagues. Walking with others can make the activity more enjoyable and can also provide a little extra motivation on the days when you might not feel like moving. Lastly, remember that it's not about making drastic changes all at once. It's about making small, manageable adjustments to your routine that, over time, can lead to big improvements in your health and well-being. So don't stress if you can't manage a long walk every day. Even short walks can have a positive impact on your health. And the more you incorporate walking into your routine, the easier and more enjoyable it will become. Remember, every step counts. In conclusion, walking is a simple, accessible, and effective form of exercise. We've journeyed through the simplicity of walking, highlighting how it's an activity that can be easily incorporated into our daily routines. We've delved into the physical benefits, from improved cardiovascular health to stronger bones and muscles, and even weight management. We also explored the mental perks of walking, such as reduced stress and anxiety, better mood, and enhanced cognitive function. We suggested practical ways to incorporate walking into your routine, from parking a little further away from your destination to taking a stroll during lunch breaks. Walking is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a journey towards better health and wellness, a step towards a healthier and happier you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to House Lux Estate for more fitness and lifestyle tips. And remember, keep walking towards a healthier you.